Oh no, I've got a flat. Hey, it's Kilobyte, and on my ND Miata, I got a flat. What do? I don't have a spare tire. In an ND Miata 2016 and newer, we got this little kit in the trunk that contains an air compressor and basically fix-a-flat. It also contains instructions. Now they are written in hieroglyphics, so you're gonna have to figure that out. But shake this up. The compressor right here. Pull this out, connect it to the bottle right here. You're gonna take this, unwind it, connect that to your tire here. The bottle, you're going to take upside down that yellow piece, and that'll slide into the compressor there. Make sure, there we go. There's your on-off switch. Make sure it's off. You're going to plug the power, which is here on the right side footwell on the center column. There's going to be a place to plug in your DC 12-volt connector. If you got a ND Miata, well, any Miata pretty much, 29 pounds per square inch. There is a gauge here. The red one is pounds per square inch. So now with everything connected, you turn it on. Now it's a max of 10 minutes. That's because your compressor is going to overheat and burn up over 10 minutes. Okay, it may not burn up, but it will get hot. So you shouldn't run them for more than 10 minutes. And when you're done, you want to disconnect, connect what was in the tire, the hose here that was in the tire, to here. That's to keep the gooey nastiness from making a bigger mess. Gonna put it in your car, your trunk, whatever. And if you still need, if in 10 minutes you didn't get, near the 29, then you'll want to let it cool and then fill it up some more. And then you'll want to take it in. Now I think it says 50 mph max with the tire goo. I will tell you, tire places hate fix-a-flat, because that goo goes in the inside, and when they go to fix it, they break that tire down, all that goo is in there. They should clean it out. A lot of places they won't. They'll just leave it, and it's going to mess up your balance. That's a whole other thing. But that is how you would fix a Miata, ND Miata, if you had a flat. You could also, I would actually suggest using the air compressor without the fix-a-flat to see if that'll get you home or to the tire shop without putting all this nasty stuff in your tire. If it's a slow leak, that should work. If it's a faster leak, you'd have to use this or just take the tire off. Oh wait, you don't have a spare, you don't have a lug wrench. If you are mechanically inclined, you can get a tire plug kit. I'll warn you that this is not easy to do, especially on the side of the road. You got to find the hole. You got to get, if the nail's still in it, you're going to have to get it out. Maybe pliers, flathead screwdriver to start it maybe. And then you got to shove these in the hole. And of course you could also get, like I do, I have this tire inflator. And be sure to have a tire gauge, even if it's just a cheap one. Check your tire pressure every once in a while. So I hope that was helpful on how to fix a flat the Mazda way in your ND Miata. If so, please like, subscribe, comment. If you've actually used it, done it, let me know. Sorry, I'm not gonna put that stuff in my tire just to show you. And good luck with yours.